Alright, let's talk about the exciting world of graphs, paths, and circuits. I'm going to throw a definition at you guys, and then I'm going to go a little bit more into detail just so you can see what I'm talking about. A graph consists of a finite set of points called vertices and line segments called edges. An edge that starts and ends at the same vertex is called a loop. Graphs can be connected or disconnected by a bridge. Adjacent vertices share one or more edges with another vertex. Okay, so I know that just sounds like a lot of words, but it's actually really easy. Here you can see an edge on this graph I drew. Here's a loop. You can see it loops around and comes back to the same vertex. A little more vocabulary, you can also talk about the degrees of a vertex. Here I've counted out the degrees of all these, and you can see A has 1 and 2 because it shares two edges with these vertices. B has 1 and 2 as well. The same with D, 1, 2. C has 1, 2, and then you actually add 2 more for that, so C has 4. Originally, the first time I recorded this video, this was disconnected. So just imagine that these two graphs are disconnected. There's no connecting here. And then that would be a bridge, this little segment right here. But then, if you connected them, you would have a connected graph. And then a quick word about equivalent graphs. Two graphs are equivalent if their lines relate to the vertices in the same way. So you can see that even though these graphs don't have the same shape, there is still only one line in between each of these points, which means these two graphs are equivalent. Now let's talk about paths.